Marshmallows. They are a tasty creation that has benefited society for over 4,000 years. They are the perfect treat to satisfy your sweet tooth. But today, humankind has reached a new step in marshmallow technology.
With the Marshmallow Launcher!
The Marshmallow Launcher is the ultimate combination of three simple artifacts that combine to make something revolutionary, cutting the edge between marshmallow and launcher technology. With just a toilet paper roll, a balloon, and a rubber band, you can make the ultimate product of your dreams. Now to show us how it's made, the man, the myth, the legend, the Science Kid.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Science Kid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a marshmallow launcher. Let's get right into how to make the launcher. So the first thing is that we're going to need to gather all of our materials. Now with the help of editing, here they are. That's right, this is all you really need to assemble it. All you need is some scissors, a toilet paper roll, a balloon, and a rubber band. Now this is exceptionally large, but it'll still do the trick. The first step out of 5 is to tie the end of this balloon off.
We do this by taking the end of the balloon, wrapping it around your finger, and pulling it through.
Now for the second step, what we're gonna do is cut off the edge of the balloon.
You want to make sure it's just about an inch and to cut all the way through.
Okay, now that the massacre of the balloon is over, we're gonna go on with our third step. So the next thing that we're gonna do is secure the end of this, well, the big open hole, onto the side of the toilet paper roll.
You're going to want to make sure that when you have the balloon and you're securing it onto the edge of the toilet paper roll, that you put it on the very center, because that little knob is going to be your handle to launch all of those marshmallows. Now for step 4, we're going to be taking our rubber band and wrapping it around the balloon. You want to make sure that as you're wrapping it around the balloon, that you're doing it just tight enough to where the balloon won't fly off when you pull on it, but you want to make sure it's not too tight to where you're affecting the shape of the toilet paper roll. And step 5 is to fire away.
Now it's time for all of those tender science nuggets that you have all been waiting for. Now there's not too much to get into about the launcher in itself, but the launching process, however, does have some interesting science nuggets. So when you pull back the balloon on the marshmallow launcher and the marshmallow launches, you will hopefully not find yourself pointing it at the ground. You will hopefully instead be pointing it somewhere up in the air. Now, there is a sweet spot somewhere in between the floor and the sky, and that would be called a 45-degree angle. This is what a circle looks like. Hopefully you've seen a circle before. In there are a lot of different 45-degree angles, but we want to be looking at these ones. Now, these ones, when you point it in this same direction, will cause you to maximize your distance in every single shot you make to hit those sweet, sweet trick shots.
Oh yeah.
Now for the moment that even more people have been waiting for, the aerodynamics of a marshmallow. Now, I know it sounds a little bit silly to be talking about the aerodynamics of a marshmallow, but it turns out to be quite interesting. So, aerodynamics. It's probably a phenomenon that you've heard about, but you don't even want to try approaching it because it seems really complicated. But it can actually just be broken down into 4 really somewhat simple things: lift, gravity, thrust, and drag. On the marshmallow, we can represent 4 of these different things quite easily. So first, we will represent the thrust by being the force of the balloon being stretched out and launching the marshmallow forward. Now, the drag would definitely be air resistance. Now, the marshmallow has very little amounts of air resistance because it is very small, which means that it has a very little surface area pushing against the air in front of it. In order for an object to move forward, the thrust must be greater than the drag. If the two are the same, or the drag is greater than the thrust, then the object will remain unmoving, or it will end up moving backwards. That covers 2 out of the 4. But what about gravity and lift? Now, in order for an object to get off of the ground, the lift needs to overcome its weight. And you know these things don't weigh too much, so if the lift and gravity are equal, or the weight is greater, then the object won't end up moving at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have made it this far in the video, make sure to smash that like button with your marshmallow launcher. I know you guys won't miss. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I make a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.